prophesies that the Burger King must marry the Dairy Queen and shall have a daughter named Wendy, a son named Carl Jr., and they will have 2 jesters that serve them. One named Ronald, who is a clown, and the other named Jack, who lives in a box. They will be guarded by the noble 5 guys, and the head of their army will be Colonel Sanders. On their wedding day, they will be married in their beautiful olive garden, and they shall forever live in a pristine white castle that has a giant Taco Bell hanging from it.